Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 Firefox is freezing or unresponsive. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. The first method is that first of all open a Firefox. Open Firefox. After opening that, in the search box type about.com's profile. Click on about.com's profiles. Click on create new profile. Click next to continue. Set any name. Click next to continue. And after that, restart and add one disable. So click on restart. Click open to continue. Now, so I hope after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that open a Firefox. After opening that, go to your three lines, go to your settings, scroll in the general section, go to your scroll down and find out use recommended performance settings. So uncheck it, uncheck the use hardware, and after doing this step, close it, and once again open your Firefox. I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that open a Firefox. Click on these three settings. Go to your help section. Click on more troubleshoot information. After doing this step, click on a refresh Firefox. Click on refresh. Click next to continue. Click on let's go and close it. After doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.